All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a second floor, one bedroom here in Mission Hill. All right, we walk right into the open living room kitchen. All right, there is a coat closet right here around the corner. Good size, decent size right there. We have windows facing the side of the adjacent building. And we have a very simple, basic oven. It will be electric, by the way, and obviously fixed for future tenants. Okay, now we have a bedroom right here. Okay, good sized bedroom. Couple of windows facing the rear. Okay. Some closet space. And of course, the bathroom. Okay, so basic, but very well maintained bathroom, toilet, shower tub combo, little window right there. We have a vanity and a sink with a nice vintage backsplash. Hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough. It is coin operated laundry on site, heat and hot water included. And yeah, I mean, it's a great location, super close to Longwood, to Northeastern, and lots of other locations. Hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough. Feel free to reach out if you have any other questions. Angel at lmcrealtyboston.com. Happy hunting.